Welcome to the top best. The best AirPods Pro case is probably one of the most essential accessories you can buy to protect your investment, ensuring your earbuds remain safe from drops, scratches, and the elements, while also offering a stylish way to express your personal taste and keep them readily accessible throughout your day, whether you're commuting, working out, or simply on the go. Number 5. AW5 Airpods Pro Case with Cleaning Kit. Introducing the AW5 case, designed specifically for your AirPods Pro 2nd and 1st generation. It offers superior protection and a comfortable grip. Crafted from high-quality, soft-touch silicone, this case provides a non-slip finish for enhanced durability and shock resistance. It's also washable for easy cleaning. The one-piece structure prevents the top from falling off, while the built-in dust plug keeps the charging port clean. You can charge it easily, wired or wirelessly, without removing the case. Keep your earbuds spotless with the included 3-in-1 cleaning kit. It features a brush, fine tip, and sponge to reach every corner. This case comes with a keychain, allowing you to hang it anywhere and prevent loss. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your AirPods Pro are safe and secure. You'll receive the AirPods Pro case, a cleaning kit, and a carabiner. We also offer 24-hour customer support for any issues. What we like. This case offers a soft, comfortable grip and includes a handy cleaning pen to keep your AirPods pristine. The front LED indicator remains visible, so you always know your charging status. If you prioritize comfort, easy maintenance, and clear charging feedback, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This case is a perfect fit for my AirPods Pro, and the material feels really durable. I love the matte finish, it doesn't show fingerprints at all. The carabiner clip is super convenient for attaching to my backpack. It feels secure and I don't worry about losing my AirPods anymore. The lid closes securely, and the charging port is easily accessible. Wireless charging works flawlessly with this case on. Number 4. MOBOSI AirPods Pro Case. Introducing the MOBOSI case for your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. It offers robust protection and convenient features for your device. This case is specifically designed for AirPods Pro 2nd and 1st generation models. It supports both wireless and wired charging for your convenience. Experience unparalleled protection with its dual-layer design. It combines a hard shell with shock-absorbing corners to defend against drops and scratches. Never worry about losing your earbuds again. The secure magnetic lock and spring-loaded lid keep your AirPods Pro safely enclosed. This isn't just a case, it's a complete solution. It includes a durable case, a cleaning tool, and a keychain for easy portability. We stand by our product with a 12-month quality promise. Any issues will be resolved promptly, ensuring your long-term satisfaction. What we like. Experience robust protection with its dual-layer design and a secure magnetic lock that prevents accidental openings. This case offers military-grade drop protection, safeguarding your AirPods from drops and impacts. If you're looking for maximum security and durability, especially for an active lifestyle, this case is your best bet. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand and provides excellent protection against drops and scratches. The carabiner clip is a great addition, making it easy to attach the AirPods Pro case to a backpack or belt loop. The lid stays securely closed, preventing the AirPods from accidentally falling out. Number 3. ELAGO AW5 Airpods Pro Case. Introducing a unique case for your AirPods Pro. Its classic handheld game console design makes it stand out and look adorable. This case is designed specifically for your AirPods Pro. It also fully supports wireless charging, so you don't have to remove it. Crafted from flexible, impact-resistant silicone, this case offers excellent protection. It guards against scratches and absorbs shocks from external impacts. An anti-slip coating inside the cap ensures a secure fit. Make sure to push it down completely for a perfect match. Enjoy the convenience of MagSafe compatibility. This case seamlessly integrates with your charging setup. Rest assured, this innovative design is US patent registered. You're getting a unique and protected product. What we like. Add a touch of nostalgia with its unique retro handheld game console design, making your AirPods stand out. It provides reliable silicone protection against scratches and minor impacts. If you love retro aesthetics and want a fun, distinctive look for your AirPods, this case is a must-have. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand and offers good protection. It has a secure clasp that keeps the AirPods Pro case closed, preventing accidental openings. The case comes with a detachable carabiner, making it easy to attach to a backpack or keychain. Number 2. MARBLEFY Custom Name AirPod Pro Case. Introducing the MARBLEFY Custom Name AirPod Pro Case. Personalize your device with your favorite phrase or name to make it uniquely yours. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This case is designed to be cute, stylish, and practical, making it an ideal present for women and girls. Experience quality like never before. This case offers anti-slip, anti-scratch, and dirt-resistant protection, keeping your AirPods Pro safe and clear. It's more than just a case. You'll also receive a stylish keychain and a convenient running strap, compatible with your Apple AirPods Pro first generation. Enjoy the perfect blend of personalization and protection. This accessory is designed to complement your lifestyle and keep your earbuds secure. What we like. Make it uniquely yours or give a thoughtful gift with its customizable name or phrase option. It also comes with a convenient running strap for secure portability during workouts. If you're seeking a personalized touch or a special gift, and need a secure way to carry them while exercising, this personalized option is ideal. What people say. The case is slim and fits perfectly in my pocket. It offers excellent protection for my AirPods Pro, and the magnetic closure is very secure. I love the matte finish, it doesn't attract fingerprints and feels great in hand. Number 1. KOREDA Cute Printed Hard Case for AirPods Pro. Introducing the KOREDA case, designed for both AirPods Pro second and first generations. Its unique printed hard shell offers a perfect fit and stylish protection. Enjoy complete defense against shocks, slips, and dust. This case keeps your AirPods Pro clean and protected, with easy access to the charging port. Express yourself with our elegant and vibrant patterns, applied using advanced UV paint technology. They won't fade, making your AirPods Pro stand out. Take your AirPods Pro anywhere with the included keychain. It easily attaches to your bag or belt loop, ensuring you never lose them during outdoor adventures. We stand by our product's quality. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a 24-month return and refund policy for your peace of mind. Looking for a great gift? This case is a perfect choice for women and girls, offering both style and practical protection for their AirPods Pro. What we like. Showcase your style with its unique and elegant printed designs, crafted with advanced UV paint. This hard TPU case offers 360 degrees protection against shocks, slips, and dust. If you want your AirPods to be a fashion statement and require comprehensive protection, these eye-catching designs are perfect for you. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand and offers good protection against drops and scratches. It comes with a detachable carabiner clip, which is very convenient for attaching to a backpack or belt loop. The case fits the AirPods Pro perfectly, with precise cutouts for the charging port and pairing button, ensuring easy access to all functions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.